Okay, hey, here we are again. In this week, the Thursday, my TikTok live streaming. It's an online coaching session, educational session for you. Coaching in what aspect? Well, the short answer would be digital marketing, right? And although it is in a TikTok environment, right? We can, right? We will, dive deeper into digital marketing, professional knowledge to, and mastering the skill sets of digital marketing to be applied in a TikTok marketing context. Why I would say that, right? Because so far I have seen, I observed, right, in many of these TikTok live streaming, other coaching session, as per se, right? And I observed that there is a very important thing that is not covered in in this type of TikTok marketing training. And what is that? As a digital marketer, right from day one, my coaches or mentors, very established people, highly successful around the world, the day one already teach us to be sensitive about building your customer database while you are out and about doing your marketing, right? So unfortunately, I noticed that in a lot of TikTok marketing training, right, online or offline in the classroom setting that I have attended, right, in fact, none, right, none highlighted to the attendees the need to set up our own system to collect and accumulate real customer database, right? So would I bring this up, right? As a TikTok affiliate marketer myself, uh, immediately I spot these shortcomings, right? Even though I may have consistently made commissions from my affiliate marketing effort in the TikTok environment. However, there is something that I wanted as a business owner to have, but it is not. These resources is not made available to me, right? So, what is that, right? So, if you want to find out, you are most welcome to attend my live stream today at Singapore local time at 1 a.m. in the morning, and for my South African followers, that would be at 7 p.m. in the evening, South African local time. Okay, so I look forward to seeing you in my live stream, right? And do note that despite the popularity, the highly sought after thing about TikTok, right, and using TikTok for creating multiple sources of income, right, do understand that TikTok marketing is just one little small part of the big umbrella called digital marketing, right? Okay, so in fact, as a digital marketer myself, since 2020, my advice would be it's better to expand your scope by going straight to learn about digital marketing instead, rather than be so narrow to learn just about TikTok marketing. Okay, when you learn about digital marketing, you are at this height, this altitude, looking down at the digital space. But when you are just learning about TikTok marketing, you are at a lower height, lower altitude, lower angle to look at the digital space. Of course, at the end of the day, why are we doing this? It's not for knowledge, right? It is to using these professional skill sets to convert, right, into consistent streams of online income for us. That's the whole point of investing time and even money to learn that, to take massive actions to make it happen, right? So, and definitely we can discuss this during my live stream, okay? And usually every live stream I prepare at least 5 different agendas. There's 5 different objectives to fulfill in my live stream, so it's not a casual chit chat, right? It will be very informative, very deep dive. There's lots of insight to share with you through my past learning journey in digital marketing to help you out, right? At the same time, I will also bring up a very specific topic that because of this big trend, many people, many regular people actively seeking ways of using the internet to create income, right? It caught the attention of online scammers. So these people, expert in marketing, expert in human psychology, target those regular people that, unlike us, lack of awareness about the digital space. So when you are willing to learn about digital marketing, in fact, or the side benefits of it is that it will help you to prevent yourself being scammed, right? I can definitely assure you that. So in my live stream, I will show you how can you identify what is legit and what are fakes. Okay, so these are the bonus in my live stream that I will be covering with the viewers. And I look forward to seeing you in my live stream. Comment below my video if you're watching this till this moment, attending, right? And I look forward to serving you. And God bless you.